Hi, fifth period FASH class. It's good to see you. This is Miss Clifton. I miss you a lot. I'm coming to you today because we've been asked to have you fill out a survey. So the survey is right there. It's in the classroom. So try to find where it says take the survey in the classroom. And then I'll help you fill out the first few steps. You're in fifth period study hall. You're in the bilingual program. How often do you go? Probably the top one. Not anymore because now we're at home, but when we weren't at home, you came to me about 3 times a week, unless you always went to the hub or a different teacher. Maybe then you could say 2 times a week, but most of you will say 3 times. And then if you didn't go, where else do you go? Do you sometimes see a different teacher? Do you sometimes go to the hub? You click whatever you want there. And then rate me if I'm helpful or not helpful. It's okay. I won't see it. It just goes to someone else in the school. And then, do you remember how on Mondays, sometimes we would go somewhere, or sometimes the counselor, Miss Picars, would go to us? Can you click which ones are the most helpful to you? You can click just one if you like, or you can click like 4 or 5 of them if you like. What are the most helpful? And then, did any FASH activities make you think about your plans after high school? When you were in FASH, did somebody help you think about college or working afterward? Yes or no? And explain what you thought about. Number 8, did you work on this course? The answer for most of you is going to be no. Most of you did not do this course. Don't worry about it. Okay, I miss you. You guys are the best. I hope you're staying safe. Please email me if you need anything. See you later.